Welcome to another nature workshop. We're going to learn all about nesting birds today. We've got a fun quiz, we've got some crafts and lots of fun facts, so keep watching. It's been a really stormy week here in the United Kingdom and lots of things have been blown about and fallen down. Imagine if you were a bird in a nest right now. It would be a really big problem. Because even though birds' nests are found in all sorts of different locations and come in all sorts of different shapes and sizes, they have one thing in common. It's where they're going to lay their eggs, hatch them and grow their chicks to become independent. And there are lots of dangers that face them. You've got the weather, the storms like we've had this week. Are the nests strong enough to withstand that? Or what about predators that might be creeping up among them? What could they do to solve that? Perhaps they've got to make sure they're really camouflaged so that no one can see them. And of course, it has to be a safe and soft environment for those fragile and vulnerable eggs and chicks to survive. It can be really tricky building a nest. So basically the bird is building a safe place, and safe places are important for all of us. I wonder where your safe place is. Is it an actual place or is it a person? That's our big question today. Where is your safe place and what makes it feel so safe to you? Well, for Nest Week we have to build our own nest, don't we? We decided to make one out of cardboard. We used glue to make it strong. If you were doing this outside you could use mud with your sticks, and we chose our colours really carefully so that it would be camouflaged. And of course we made sure that at the end it was nice and cosy for our little chicks. But like I said, you can use all sorts of materials. You can even make it out of chocolate and Rice Krispies mixed together. Lots of different ways to make a cosy nest. Let's have a quiz, see if you can match the egg to the bird. It is a bit tricky, so pause if you need to. So this first egg is smooth and glossy. It's bluey green with some brown freckles on. What do you think it is? It's a blackbird's egg. This egg is a cream colour with some light brown speckles on it. This bird lays quite a large clutch of 8 to 10 eggs each time. It's a blue tit's egg. This egg is an off-white colour with lots of reddy brown splotches on it. Which one do you think it is, a robin or a chaffinch? It's the chaffinch. This lovely little egg is a bit larger and it's just completely blue. Which one do you think it is? A starling. This speckled egg looks like some of the others we've just seen, but which one is it, robin or song thrush? It's a robin. Well done. Well, now it's time to do some exploring. You can do it in a book, you can go on the internet, or you can go outside for a nature hike. I want you to spot 3 different birds. Birds that are as different as they possibly could be from each other. Number 2, I want you to look up in those trees that are bare right now and see if you can spot 2 old nests from last season that are still there. And number 1, can you do something to make a place safer for somebody else? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. If you want to follow along with this next craft, you're going to need some leaves, some twigs, something to attach those with, pencil, some scissors, and then some things to decorate your bird with. With the help of a grown-up, you can cut out 2 shapes, the body and the wings. They can be any size you want. We went for super-sized birds today. And then you're going to cut 2 slits in so that you can attach them to make your bird become 3D. And then you can just decorate it however you want. I used chalk pens and I just doodled. I didn't have any kind of plan. I just had a nice evening decorating and doodling along my bird. Once you've done that, you're going to use items from nature to add a little bit of interest to your bird. So I added some tail feathers and then I used some colourful tape to attach some twig legs as well. You can decorate both sides of your bird if you want to. And here it is, flying away. What do you think? Could you make one? I love spending time with you this week learning all about nests. Keep your eyes peeled in the coming weeks to see if you can see any birds that are carrying twigs or leaves or even bits of wool to their nests. I hope you have a great week and I'll see you next time.